Welcome to break 2903 for the 2020 Hit Parade Platinum Football Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Saturday, August 1st, 2020. And it is 11:14 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:14 p.m. Central Time, and 8:14 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Coles with 2 spots, Velma 2, Pa with 4, TNT with 3, Marp 2, Rinsky 4. We have Geo 1, JM 3, CR Mag 2, Evers Ray 1, TI Boy with 4, Mal 2, Staple 2. Spots that we're going to randomize 7 times to determine our team or teams. The break. Coles on top. Staple on the bottom once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7 has Pa on top. Velma on the bottom. Pa with the Cardinals, Coles Falcons, Mal with the Ravens, TNT Bills, Velma Panthers, TI Boy Bears, Staple Bengals, TNT Browns, Rinsky Cowboys, Pa Broncos, Staple Lions, JM Packers, Pa Texans, Marp Colts, CR Mag Jaguars, JM Chiefs, Marp with the Chargers, Rinsky Rams, Geo with the Dolphins, Pa Vikings, TI Boy Patriots Saints, Evers Ray with the Giants, Rinsky Jets, CR Mag Raiders, Rinsky Eagles, TNT with the Steelers, Coles with the 49ers, Mal Will Seahawks, JM Buccaneers, Tim with the Titans, and last but not least, Velma with the Washington Redskins. Seeing the Washington football team cards here. That'll be interesting. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seal on top and bottom. Ooh, forward over on me. Let's see what we have here. Empty. And who do we have here? DJ Chark Jr. Signature Gloves Flawless Auto Glove 11 out of 20 for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Zoom in there. From his Nike glove, 11 out of 20 glove signature, DJ Chark Jaguars. Very cool. Congrats, whoever has the Jacksonville Jaguars. All right, who has Jacksonville? Jacksonville Jaguars, CR Mag _54. Congrats on break 2903 in the 2020 Hit Parade Football Platinum Edition. Flawless Jaguars glove auto out of 20 of DJ Chark. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then we're on to break 2944 in the 2020 Gold Rush Multi-Sport Vault Pack. Thanks.